bless you. It's going once at 3006. It's going twice at 3006. I tell you what, it's sold for 3006.
Ahoy, shipmates! Here to have bought myself a lighthouse. Now I know what you're saying, Captain. What are you doing buying a lighthouse? Not very nautical. It's reasonably nautical. It was all in a good cause for Southampton Hospital charity. It was part of the Lighthouse Trail, Light the South. This was in the summer of 2024. You can tell it's summer, of course. It's raining. There was a whole trail of 40 of these lighthouses all around Southampton and over onto the Isle of Wight. In fact, I did make a little film about it. This, of course, was my particular favourite lighthouse. This lighthouse was entitled Solent Ships and has all the ships on it. You can see the Cowshot Spit Lighthouse, the Red Funnel Ferry, super yachts, hovercrafts, flying planes. Absolutely superb lighthouse by a local artist, Martin Davey. And I think that's Shield Hall. Is that Shield Hall? There's definitely Shield Halls on there somewhere. There's also a shipwreck and an octopus. So absolutely fitting. Of course, there are lots of other designs on the lighthouse, all painted by local artists. Some of them were nautical based, but they all had different flavours. But I think this one couldn't be any more perfect. And even more amusing, it was based right underneath Ferry Cam. So it's just had to be. The lady from the hospital trust sent me an email and asked me if she could use my film to help promote the hospital trust lighthouse tour. This culminated in an auction towards the end of the boat show, and in fact she said, "Come along, Captain, you're more than welcome, and you never know, perhaps you might buy something." It sounded ominous. If you happen to go to Southampton Boat Show, you would have seen numerous lighthouses displayed at the entranceway here, all densely packed in. They look really good, and they're all brightly different colours, all sorts of different designs, all from the local artists. These are the big ones. There were a number of small ones as well, and they were also for sale. But these were the proper, genuine, full-sized, monster-sized lighthouses. And then as you turn the corner here, of course, the best lighthouse here, I'm not being biased, is the Solent Ships Lighthouse. What a wonderful piece. It's even got my name on it, Solent Ships. So after the boat show closed, the lady said I could come down and collect it. Very strange going to the boat show. I didn't quite anticipate how large it was. Only just fitted in the car. I had to squeeze it right in. Poor old Jeremy had to walk home afterwards. Although amusing, the car did look like a giant police car.
Oh, look, a police car with a big beacon on the top.
Should have fitted a blue light in it. Now, upon reaching its destination, we couldn't decide if it was going to fit into the lift or not. It was going to be a close run thing. And we got the tape measure out, and I wasn't thinking about the width of it. I was thinking about the height, but as it happened, there was about a centimetre or two to spare on the width on both sides. And you can see it only just fitted in the lift here. I'm right in the back, squashed in, trying to take photos. We can see it only just fitting in. The door's actually narrower than the actual car of the lift. And look at that right at the very top. You can just see over. It just fits in. There we go. Just squeezing past. Look, wafer fin.
Thank you, Brian and Emma. We're grateful. We move on to Red Funnel's work. Now, this lady in the corner was from Red Funnel. Solent Ships is the work that they sponsored. Martin Davey, the artist, he's from right here in Southampton, and he is delighted, surely, because I have some bidding of 2,500, 2,600, 2,700. I'm making a little music at 2,800, 2,900 is bid at 2,900, 3,000 is bid at £3,000 for the Southampton artist Martin Davey at £3,000. Solent Ships. I was pushing my daughter on a swing earlier on the edge of the Solent.
Plug the laptop in.
It's been a lovely day. At £3,000 for the Solent Ships. 3,100 is bid at 3,100. 3,200 is bid at 3,200. Are you coming back in at 3,300? At 3,200, this is more like it. At 3,200 pounds, 3,300 is bid. 3,400 will be next. I can feel it. At 3,400. 3,300 pounds, ladies and gentlemen. It's 3,300. It's a huge...
Let's go one more.
Surely we can take it to 3,000.
Let's go one more.
I tell you, auctions are so much more fun when there's bidding. At 3,400. It's a bit of
It's a bid! You better. Thank you, sir.
Right, internet, you've been blown out the Solent because this gentleman has just bid 3,400. We're looking for 3.5 from you. He's saying don't do it, but I'm saying do it. At 3,500, are you coming back in? We have 3,400 in the room. The gentleman's in front, literally and figuratively. 3,500, no longer, sir. 3,600.
Go one more. Go 4 and then the whole room will stand up and give you an ovation. How about that? Do you reckon? We'll start. So we'll try it. See if we get 4.
What's your bid, sir? At 3,500 against you. Do you have a bid?
Yeah.
3-5.
3,500 is against you. Will you make it 3,600?
Make it 4.
Yes, he will. At 3,600. Yes, you're doing the right thing. Just you down that drink. At 3,600. No dainty sip, sir. Get it down. 3,007 online. What do you say? At 3,007 are you bidding? The gentleman's back in at 3,600. At 3,600 pounds, we'd love to sell to you at 3,700, but he'd love to have it sold at 3,600. So what will it be? At 3,600 pounds online, I must press you. It's going once at 3,600. It's going twice at 3,600. I tell you what, it's sold for 3,600. That was the Solent Ships. Very well done, sir. We move on to lot number 27.
And there we go. The Solent Ships Lighthouse is installed and also makes rather good Christmas tree or a Christmas lighthouse, depending on your preference. Looks fantastic. Lots of detail from the artist Martin Davey. As you can see, all the ships are there. There's even a submarine, an octopus round the back. I think it works rather well as a Christmas ornament. And there is the red funnel ferry. Now, I didn't think when I started this YouTube channel a couple of years ago now, maybe 3 years ago, that I would be purchasing lighthouses from charity auctions. Absolutely phenomenal. Can't thank you all enough for your support, particularly one subscriber in particular who massively helped out with the purchase of his lighthouse, and Ed is wonderful, isn't it? What a piece of artwork to have. It's called Solent Ships. It's a lighthouse. It's all about Southampton, all about the ships. Absolutely perfect addition. Who wouldn't want this? Thank you very much, Shipmates, and many thanks for subscribing. Till next time, Shipmates.